Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be making this maze generator. With dimensions we can change, as well as movable start and end points. Let's get started. Here I have a simple node class, with some helper functions that return the corner positions of each node. Now let's use them to draw the node in the scene. Now, let's define our variables. We need a node array and a stack. The stack is what we will traverse later. First we built the grid, and now we're going to traverse it. Starting with the start node we defined earlier. We will create the getNeighbors function a little later on. All we're doing here is choosing a random neighbor that hasn't been visited before and pushing them onto the stack. Just make sure the first node pushed onto the stack is the one we defined earlier. Next, let's break the walls when we visit a new neighbor. This may look a little confusing. All I'm doing is checking whether we moved up or down, or left or right. Then we can determine which wall should be broken, based on whether our diff variable is positive or negative. We can then calculate the opposite wall for the neighbor we're about to visit, and break them both. Let's create our functions for finding the neighbors. First we need a few helper functions. We use a getNode function, because our start and end nodes can't be accessed from the node array, as they are technically out of bounds. Now we can return all neighbors that are in bounds, that are currently separated by a wall. Finally, let's call our draw function for each node. And there you have it. A maze generator, with variable sizes, and movable start and end positions. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll come back next time when we convert this maze into 3D. Take care.